Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or maybe you're seeing this from my Facebook page. I just wanted to do a quick seismic activity update. A few things are different, but I'm not sure exactly how. So we see, for those of you that have been following my seismic updates, this will transition smoothly into your understanding. If not, for those of you that may be viewing this for the first time, I would suggest going back and watching at least 4 or 5 of my other videos before I talk about this one if you want it to make total sense. In summary though, we had a larger Nevada earthquake about 2 weeks ago. That's what that is. This area of California has been really quiet and we've been watching it, as well as other western states for potential seismic activity. And today the update is going to be very brief. I don't have a lot to say. I'm not doing the whole Ring of Fire or the Pacific area. I'm just doing mainly California and potentially other western states. Just very quick and simple, and I'll make a more detailed update later on after I know more. Seeing the pattern that from the Nevada earthquake, we could see a few lonesome earthquakes off to the, I wouldn't call them aftershocks because they're not even on the same fault. So we have a few lonesome earthquakes that have been going on. You can see, like, even there's a few that are more light, a few that are newer. The lighter they are, the older they are, the greener they are, the more new they are. Excuse me, and you'll just have to excuse my yawn. That is just regular for me to yawn while making my videos. Everybody knows this, so. Continuing on, we have another one that's kind of new, 8 hours ago, a 3.0, a 2.2. What are these other ones? What is this one? Come on. 2.0, a 2.0, a 2.0, a 2.4, and a 2.4. So pretty much all normal, except this one is a 3.0. That's a little bit higher than what I would consider normal. But the fact that there is energy in little earthquakes in this area when usually there are not that many suggests to me that something is changing. The seismic energy is moving. I'm not really sure as to how yet. A few other new things going on. We're seeing more activity along the east or west coast of California, thank goodness. It's been silent too long. It's still very silent in this area of Northern California up to Southern Oregon, and that is something that I'm still watching. So it is a little in mid-California, we're seeing a little bit more activity that is healthy. Thank goodness we're seeing this because, like I said, it's been silent too long. This one is a 3.3. That's a little bit higher than I would consider normal. So we might want to highlight this area and put it into the pattern. And let's see. What is this one? I'm trying to see. 2.3. That's pretty normal. 2.0, pretty normal. Come on, push the other one. 2.0, pretty normal. So we have a little higher one down here, but everything is pretty much normal. Excuse me again. So, in summary, we have a shift of some sort. We have new activity up here that is finally filling in, and we have activity that seems to be heading down south from the Nevada aftershock sequence. Let's just pull this up real fast and see it. Aftershock activity is slowing down in the region, obviously. It's not as full as it used to be. So that's pretty normal. So we have a shift happening of some sort. The Nevada earthquake is, the aftershock activity is lessening. We have new activity in this area. We have new activity in this area, so there is another shift happening. I'm just not sure what yet. Let's look at Alaska, see what kind of energy might be coming in. 2.3, usual. 2.2, 2.2, all normal. A 3.0, 4, that's a little higher than normal. So we have a 3.3, a little higher than normal. 3.2, a little higher than normal. 2.0, 2.2. So we do have a few a little higher than normal earthquakes. I don't care. AliExpress, thank you for your ad. Didn't even want to see the ad pop up. It's AliExpress. So we do have some higher than normal activity coming into the region. Why did I flip this map? It's tilted now. It bugs me. Untilt. Untilt. Okay. From that activity, I expect something to pop up within this area. This whole area. I'm not, maybe down a little bit more. Let's get Montana in the picture. In this area. I expect something to pop up in this area. It's probably going to be a let's say a 2.5 or above. And that might be an indication of what to watch next. And the magnitude of it might indicate what to watch next. But as of right now, I'm not seeing any specific pattern. I know it's shifting, and I'm just going to keep looking for a pattern. And I do know we had a lot of tremors in the Washington area, which can suggest that basically slow slipping earthquakes, tectonic plate merging. But it's hard to know what to exactly predict from there. We're still watching this general area because of what I predicted, what I forecasted the last few days, as well as Dutch Sense. Maybe we should watch the Cascadia zone because there's a lot of aftershock activity up here, or not aftershock, tremors. There's a lot of tremors up there in that Cascadia region now, which is, well, in the Washington area, but it always, when that happens, it always suggests that there's slow slipping of the Cascadia zone. So, yeah, that's pretty much my update now. I'll fill you guys in if I see a more specific pattern or if I have a better forecast for you. Maybe probably tonight or maybe tomorrow. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.